Hola, señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. Today, the first thing you had to do was your actividad inicial, and it's in this photo. And what I did was I recorded a question. You need to listen to the question, and you're going to respond in the comments. To respond, you don't require to record. You're just going to type the answer to my question. That's it. Then we have a quiz today. So our quiz has 3 parts. So here's all the instructions on how to get there, or you can just click here and it takes you directly to the time quiz. You click on time quiz, complete the time quiz, and take a screenshot. So you take 1 screenshot, 2 screenshots, 3 screenshots. That's the 3 parts for your quiz. And then you're going to submit the screenshots on the space provided right here. When you finish your quiz, we are going to, well, here's how to submit, and I put a video there in case that you don't know how to submit it, because some of you may have difficulty still how to submit, but here is, or you can ask as usual. In this part of the chapter para empezar, we're going to move on to another part. We're going to learn about telling time, asking and responding, what time is it? There's going to be a video here explaining how to tell time. You're going to write these notes on your notebook. You need to write these notes on your notebook. And then once you do that, we're going to complete an activity on Eddpuzzle.com. And here's the instructions how to do. I'm giving you a link for you to join and go to the activity. You complete this activity, and lastly, you're going to open this form and complete. Let's look at the activity in Eddpuzzle first. So let's find one. So here's your activity. You are going to join there. I'm going to explain to you how to get there, guide you through it. You're going to click here, and you have a video. When you play the video is going to give you some questions. Every time that it gets to a question, you answer the question, click continue, and it will give you the result for your activities. Please pay attention closely to the questions so you don't make mistakes, because don't think you have an opportunity to edit answers in this one. I'm not sure. We can talk about it, no problem. Okay, then the form. Let's go to the form. So the form is about telling time. As I said, as usual, you're gonna write your name, your last name, use the capital initial. You will lose your 10 points. Then you select the class that you are in, and then I put here a recording. So when you click on the recording,
1. Es la 1:30.
You hear a number, 1, because it's the first question, and then it's telling you the time. What you're going to type here is what you hear. You hear the time, and you type the numbers.
Es la 1:30.
And then you type it. You do the same with all of them. All this. And then there are some math problems. I know you love them. And you're just going to write the answer here for this operation. It says here are some simple math problems. Fill in the space with the Spanish word for that number. Use lowercase and avoid extra spaces so you don't get it wrong. You have the numbers from last class, so you can use your numbers to answer these questions. And you're going to use all lowercase, and the word is no numbers. And then you remember the sequences, and so you're going to just do your math problems that you submit, and that is it. Here is the audio for the form. In case that the audio doesn't work in the form, I put it here too. So That's all we're doing today. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in class. Hasta pronto.